So this US oil analysis for Friday the 13th of April. Now, let's just have a look at where prices or where prices may likely go. So here on the US oil, we've had a very strong extended run here on the US oil. Now, at some point, we would have expected the market to rest, and that's pretty much what we did see. The prices did head above the 66.71. Sorry, bear with me a second here. Yes, we did have prices hit above the 66.71, the most recent swing in the market. Traded all the way up towards that 67.50. So we did trade quite a bit above the 66.71. We've had prices retrace all the way down towards that 66 level. Didn't quite get down towards that 65.60. Found support, headed back above the 66.71. Do appear to be holding support above the 66.71. Didn't find much resistance towards that 66.71. Now, if we do continue to hold support at 66.71, we're then looking for prices to progress here to the upside, in alignment with the overall trend. And if that does happen, we are looking for prices to head up towards that 68. Bear with me a second here. Let's just get that 68.19. That's the very next level that we are looking at here. A move up towards a 68.19, where we could potentially find resistance and see prices retrace back down towards that 66.71. If I ever do successfully break and hold above 68.19, we then look at prices move up towards a very strong major level here of that 69.51 before prices hit up towards that $70 a barrel mark. So 69.51 before we look to a price hit up towards that $70 a barrel mark here on US oil. If, however, we do test this 66.71 and we don't find support, we're then looking for prices potentially head down towards that 65.60. Successful break from which we're looking for price head down towards that 64.76. And if we do break down from 64.76, I very much doubt we'll break from 64.76. 64.76 potentially being the far end of the range here to the downside. That's if we do see some retracement here on the US oil after having such an extended run over this week. There is a potential to see some sell-side momentum come into market here Friday the 13th, as we might see a bit of a profit taking here in the market. So there is a potential to see some retracement, possibly even down towards that 65.60 before seeing that continued resolution to the upside into next week. And with that said, again, beyond 64.76, I suppose we do have 63.76 as well as the 400 and 200 period moving averages, which could act as potentially dynamic levels of support. But I don't anticipate prices breaking below the 64.76. Likewise, I wouldn't anticipate prices breaking beyond the 69.51 or even much beyond 69 to the upside on the US oil, especially here on Friday. We'll have a brief look at the daily chart for wrapping up here on the US oil. On the daily chart, we can see here, get the scaling on here correct. We are seeing that resolution here to the upside. So we have our lows, a higher low again. We've had a break now above our most recent swing high here in the market. Had a break and this major swing high just here, and our more recent swing high just there. So we are seeing breaks of those highs. We're looking to see whether we can hold above that 66.71 for a springboard for the upside. There is a potential to see this being a false break of the level and seeing prices retrace back down within the context of this will be a range here. Will be within the context of this range. So there's a potential to see that sell-side momentum take us back within the range. But we'll look to see if we can hold support at 66.71 for further upside resolution. With that said, that wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.